Hello friends, in this video you will learn about edit distance program. Our task is given two strings str1 and str2 and below operations that can performed on str1. Find minimum number of edits operations required to convert str1 into str2. So the operations are insert, remove and replace. All of the above operations are of cost equal to 1. Both the strings are of lowercase. Input output, I will explain with example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the two lines. First line is the having two values, that is number of characters in string 1, number of characters in string 2, str1 and str2. Second line is the those str1 and str2, string 1 and string 2. Then see output is 1 because this operations are performed on the str1. So we need to insert s into the, by observing this two strings, convert string 1 to string 2, we need to insert s. So that insert takes a cost 1. Output is 1. See, to solve this task, here is our code. For number of test cases, taking t variable, take the t value. For all test cases, using while loop with t minus minus. In that, say p is the number of characters in str1, q is the number of characters in str2. Take those values. Then for the str1 and str2, I am using s1 s2 strings. Take those strings. To solve this task, using a function edit distance, passing p, q, s1 and s2. See, this is the function edit distance. This is solved easily with the best way is the dynamic programming. Here is the array dp with sizes p plus 1 and q plus 1. Initially, if there is no values, assume string 1, string 2 are not there. Then the time dp is, there is no operations are required. Then the time dp is 0. dp00 is 0 when there is no values. Comes to this place. This is the, this assume this g is there but there is no values are there. Then that time if you want to move on this see how there is so many one by one deletions are going on. First we are at the position of g removed, so that cost is 1. Then I increments this e removed, then that is I value become 2 because this cost is 2. Then e removes, that is 3. K removes, that is 4. This is the cost of removal of str1. Take this one. This for loop is completed. Comes to this for loop. If str is not there but this is there, str2 is there, then that time we need to insert the values to the str1. That is values continuously incremented. See this, initially 1, g is inserted, then e is inserted, this cost is incremented, then s is inserted, e is inserted, k is inserted. Like this, these values are incremented. Then comes to this. There are both values are there in this time. How to find the minimum cost with this for loops, two for loops. In this, we are moving initially from row. Row is the str1, column is the str2. See this, that is started from the 1 onwards. J equal to 1, sorry, I equal to 1, I less than or equal to p, str1. Then for loop, this is str2, j equal to 1, j less than or equal to q. Then see why this both blocks are there. What is happening in both blocks are, see, when this is same, str s1 I minus 1 equal to s2 j minus 1. What is the mean of this? The values are same, j, gg values are same. Then that time there is no need to perform any operations like insert, remove, replace. These three operations need not to apply. Then the time this this value takes the diagonal value, nothing but this dp I minus 1 j minus 1. There is no need to perform any operations. Then see else block. Why this is? When the values are not matching, like see this e, third e not matched with the s. In this time we need to insert. So this block execute. In this there are three chances. One is remove, another one is insert, another one is replace. Replace is happen when we go when see this, when the value is affected. See this one is affected with a 0 because there are three values. In this is affected with a 0. So this is the diagonal effect. This is a replacement. See E is replaced with a S, that says this one. And see, if this one is affected with a, see this one is affected with a this 0 because nothing but this says the insertion. This is the replacement, this is the insert. Nothing but when we are going, see this I minus 1 or j, this value, this dp value affected with a this value, then the time that is inserted. When this dp value is affected with a this one, that is removal. When this is affected with a this values, that is replacement. These three things are happen, which is the minimum. Take that one to add this new dp values ij. This is happening up to end in these two loops. Then you get the minimum cost to make str1 into str2. That value is in the dp of pq. It is returned to this function. Then output is 1. See, this is insert remove is changing. When you are changing str2 to str1, this behaves differently. But in this case, this is the removal and this is the insert. To convert str1 to str2. So check this, our code is right or wrong by compile test. Yes, expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Correct answer with the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.